everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a new vlog for you guys. It's actually a Friday today and I am nearing the end of my workday. Let's ignore my roots, I don't love that. I'm wearing this big giant cozy sweater from Free People. I got this last year, but I'll link it down below if they're selling it still. I've been wearing this literally so much and it's not even cold out. I've just been putting the AC on in my apartment, but it's actually about 80 degrees out. I wore this on a work Zoom call the other day and one of my coworkers who doesn't live in LA asked me if it was cold out because I was wearing this with a beanie and I had to say no. I was just wearing it inside my apartment and not leaving. Anyways, I'm going to finish up with my work for the day and then I will update you guys. I actually just got a package in the mail from Lorna Jane, which I'm very excited about because I've wanted to try their clothing out for a while and they're actually sponsoring this video, so thank you so much to them. And in case you guys haven't heard of Lorna Jane, they are a premium women's activewear company created by women for women. Here are my items and let's go through them. So the first main item is their Lotus Legging, which is their plain black legging, and I can never have enough plain black leggings. I swear I go through like all of mine every week. So these are an ankle biter length, which is my favorite because then they're not too long on short people like me, but they also look really cute if you're taller. I'm very excited to try these on and show you guys how they look because these do claim to be squat proof. Nobody wants to be squatting in their leggings and you can see through them for a lot of obvious reasons. This fabric feels super nice. It feels really soft and comfortable, but it also feels like it will wick moisture if you are sweating, so I think that's a perfect combination. They also have a little secret pocket in the waistband, which is always great for keys or even like a credit card or ID or all of the above. So the Lotus leggings are $60 or you can get two for $100, which I think is a good deal for a pair of high quality leggings, especially in comparison to other brands where one pair of black leggings is like over $100. So I am very, very excited to add these to my collection and try them out. Next up, I got this really cool pair of leggings. I've never seen leggings before that have a drawstring waistband. These are just a nice gray color and they have some fun detailing. And then in the back, they are just plain gray. To go with those leggings, I just have this plain white sports bra and the back is really pretty and strappy, which is always just a nice detail to have. So their sports bras came without padding, which is how I prefer it, but they also came with little pads that you can put in if you do prefer padding, which I think is great because obviously not everyone has the same preference for that and it's nice to have the option. Okay, and this last set I am obsessed with. I know it's kind of a bold print, but I think it's so awesome. You guys know I love snake print and I also love wearing the color red. So when I saw this red snake print set, I had to have it. So this is what the sports bra looks like. It's so cool. I'm obsessed with it. And once again, all this material is so nice. And then the matching leggings, oh my gosh, they look like this. They have like this striping down the side, which is so cool. The quality on these, once again, feels incredible. Even these with that sports bra and like an oversized black sweater or even like a cropped black sweater, I think will be so cool. Yeah, I'm just obsessed. If you guys want to check out Lorna Jane, which you definitely should because I love these, you guys can use my code TASHA20 for 20% off. I'm actually so exhausted. I could not fall asleep last night, so I'm gonna make myself a little tea latte as a pick-me-up, and I want to show you guys how I make mine. I think I've showed you before, but not in a while. This is the concentrate that I get. I get it from Target, and this is the London Fog tea latte one. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this into my cup and then heat it up. I'm now realizing I can't use this cup because there's metal on the top, and I have tried to microwave this before and it did not go well. So I'm going to heat it up in another cup and then I just froth my milk in my frother. It's a little bit wet right now because I just washed it, and then I combine and that's pretty much it. Once the milk is all frothed, I just pour it in. and then stir a little to combine. I recently killed the larger pothos that was up here. Let me know how I managed to kill a pothos. I think it got a fungus in the soil, honestly, because it got a ton of flies and then I left it outside and the leaves burnt. And anyways, I would like to get a replacement. So I'm gonna head to a nursery nearby. Hopefully they have one that I can put up here. Okay, so I just parked on this road. I think the garden center is right up there. This is Rolling Greens in Culver City. I've been to the West Hollywood location and it's really pretty, so I figured I would check this one out. So I'm gonna walk up there now and let's see if I can find something cute. I ended up getting the cutest neon pothos. That place was incredible. I had to stop myself from buying a ton, so definitely check this out if you guys are in the area, and I know I will be coming back. I ended up being near Target, so I'm gonna go in there and see if they have any Oatly because I could really use a restock, and then I also want to buy some hard cider, so wish me luck that there's not a line to get in. Here is the new plant in all its glory. I did have to repot it into the black pot. I was hoping the nursery pot would fit, but it showed a little bit at the top and that bothers me so much. So I just went ahead and repotted it into this pot, and I'm still trying to figure out what to put in this little guy or if I'm gonna get something else to put here in its place. So let me know what you think would look good in that, or if you think I should get some other little decoration. And in case you're wondering, I have a skylight above here, so that's how it gets light. I did get a few things at Target, I will show you guys, but it was kind of a bust. I went in there really wanting to get hard cider, and Targets in California sell alcohol. I know that's not the case in all states, but in California they do. And so I was walking around in there for so long looking for the alcohol, and I finally asked someone and he told me they don't sell it at that location, which I just thought was so weird. So I couldn't get the cider, and then I looked for Oatly and they didn't have that either, so I ended up just getting some more tea concentrates and the Target brand oat milk to try, so I will show you guys. I have tried so many oat milks, and the only one I really like is Oatly, but I haven't tried this one yet, and it was the only one there, so I figured I would try it out because I am almost completely out of milk. I am glad that I went in this vlog because I think they changed the packaging of the tea concentrate that I showed you earlier, so this is the same one, but it's new packaging. And then I got 2 Taza ones. There was one left of the pumpkin spice latte, so I figured I had to try it. And then lastly, I saw rose pink latte, which I love rose flavored things, so I figured I had to try this, and I really hope it's pink. That would be amazing. But those were the tea concentrates I got. Maybe I will try one of these tonight or maybe tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day now, and as you can probably see, my couch looks a little weird. I just finished Desmond-proofing my couch because I am pet sitting little Desmond today. If you guys have watched my vlogs, he's the pug that I always pet sit, and I literally love him. He's like my little child. However, he's very hairy, and I just don't want that on my couch. The method that I've come up with is just using 2 fitted sheets, and then I have that blanket there, and his hair will get all over the floor, but it's like, at least I can vacuum that. I'm wearing the Lorna Jane snake leggings, and guys, I'm obsessed with these. They fit so nice, and the quality is incredible. I literally love that. I'm wearing the sports bra too under here, and obsessed. Hello, say hi to the vlog. Hello. He just napped on me for a while. You guys have to look at the hair. It's actually not the worst, but can you guys see? It's normally a lot worse, and I'm sure it'll be worse by the end of the day. You're so hairy. You're so hairy. Yeah. Hello everyone.
Oh.
with some girlies, and we made a beautiful charcuterie board.
This is vegan cheese for these lactose intolerant lovers.
Yes. What else? I mean, you guys can just look.
Spicy salami, prosciutto, grapes.
It's actually really beautiful.
Disgusting gluten-free crackers. They're not that bad.
Everyone, follow Caitlin on TikTok. I'll put her handle here. Send her love.
Wait, I should have made a TikTok of this.
Good morning, everyone. It's actually Monday now, and I just made myself some breakfast. This is the pumpkin pecan oatmeal from Trader Joe's, and this is the Trader Joe's whole grain sourdough. Typically, I would be working in the office today because it is a Monday, but I'm actually working from home for a very exciting reason. Basically, the sideboard that I'm going to use as a TV stand that I ordered like 4 months ago is being delivered today, and I had to be here to accept it, obviously, because it's very large. I'm so excited. This is honestly my dream piece of furniture, and it definitely was an investment piece, but I'm so in love with it, and I think it's gonna tie my whole living space together, so I'm very excited. I am slightly nervous because I didn't want to pay the extra $200 for white glove delivery, which I guess is when they bring it in and assemble it or unpack it and everything for you. I also feel like this is gonna come assembled. If not, anyways, I just paid for regular delivery, and I think it's being delivered FedEx, so I'm almost positive they will bring it up to at least my door for me, and then I think the rest will be in my hands. So hopefully that goes well and there's not a lot of assembly because I know it's really heavy. In case you guys need a refresher, this is the TV stand that I have been using. There's nothing wrong with it. It's quite nice. I just don't really love it for this space, and I'm also excited because the one that I have has doors, so if I do put stuff in it, it won't look cluttered like this. Guys, it is here. There is some loud construction going on outside, so hopefully they don't start that back up, but it is very large and there's a story associated. I live on the second floor, and I know there was no way I was getting this box up on my own, so I asked the guy if he's allowed to bring it up, and he's like, oh, well, I'm like not supposed to, but then he would. And so I gave him like 20 bucks. So I kind of schemed that, but there was no way I was getting this up, and he had like the whole contraption with wheels. But I feel bad because that was kind of a lot of work, but gave him 20 bucks and it's in here. So now moment of truth is to open it and see if it needs assembly, which I'm really hoping it doesn't need a lot. Okay, I fully just worked up a sweat, but I have it all unpackaged. Hopefully I got some footage of it. I realized my memory card ran out of storage like halfway through that. But the next step is for me to switch this one with what I currently have under my TV. So let's start on that. Guys, I'm dying. I knew something looked a little bit off, but I couldn't tell. And then I posted it on my story, and Tara, who has the same sideboard in just like an all natural color, was like, wait, did yours not come with legs? And then I realized I literally forgot to put the legs on and they were just in these cabinets. I'm so stupid. So now I'm going to hopefully be able to take the TV off and flip this and put the legs on. Not too excited about that, but oh my god. Okay, legs are now on. Let me try and flip this back over and see how that looks. So I'm not sure if this is how I want it permanently styled, but I did take the pampas grass that was in my room and did just put it next to the TV with my candle, and I think I like how that looks. If I didn't have that, I would probably put a plant that kind of hangs over the edge. So let me know what you guys would prefer there, but I'm loving it so much. I know I've said that a million times. Very happy with that, and need to dispose of this stuff as soon as I get the energy to take it outside. For dinner, I am going to make this frozen pasta from Trader Joe's. I will show you guys what it looks like once it's ready. Here's what the pasta looks like. I've eaten a bit of it. The sauce is kind of watery. Maybe I should put less water in, but I just put in what they said to on the package. Overall, I think this pasta is good, but I'm not obsessed with it. Definitely try it and let me know what you guys think, but I'm not sure if I would get it again.
It is actually a couple days later now, but I just realized I never formally ended this vlog, so this is the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, thank you for supporting me, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!